Kia ora whānau. So today's video is very quickly to show you how to use a tenon saw. So a tenon saw we would use to cut straight lines only. That's because it has a wide blade. So if we were making something with corner connections where the corners need to be square and have a straight cut, we could use a set square. We push that up against the side, and let's say we wanted to cut off this section here. I've got a nice straight line with a 90-degree corner, 90-degree corner. Now to help me cut this line straight, we're going to use a cutting board, which just goes into the vise. And we just do the vise up gently. The material goes on here, and we just use our tenon saw like this. So we can start by lining the line up with here as a guide to get a backstroke to get it going. And then once you're happy, you can hang it over the edge. Use the heel of your palm just to push the material in so your fingers are out of the way. And use nice long strokes, keeping your eye over the blade. Now, if you are struggling to hold this piece of material, what you could do is use a clamp, and we can just clamp the material onto here just by squeezing it nice and tight. And then we could hold the clamp as well. Now don't be tempted to karate chop this off because you're going to pull material away. You need to cut all the way through. And there we have it, a nice straight cut, and you can check to see if your cut was nice and square by using a set square like this. And if there are no gaps, then that means you did a nice straight cut.